Building a console from start to finish can be tedious. If you're looking for the most complete console kit on the market, you'll be happy to hear we not only sell it, but we also optionally pre-assemble it for you as well. And Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1968 to 72 Chevelle and El Camino and 1970 to 72 Monte Carlo center console kits. Our kits are available for automatic and manual configurations and can be purchased with and without the horseshoe shifter. Kits come with a center console base with trim, chromed and brushed aluminum finished top plate, console door and hinge, complete automatic plate dial, dial sealing strips and retainer, console screw kit, backlight assembly, automatic indicator lens or 4-speed manual shift emblem, console mounting bracket, wiring harness clips, and proper lock and latch mechanisms depending on the year of your vehicle. Console bases and doors are manufactured from injection molded ABS plastic featuring the correct Madrid grain pattern. Every console base and door surround trim is roll formed just like the factory originals for true authenticity. The lenses are made from a hard acrylic plastic injection molded from case hardened steel tooling, carefully sanded for smooth edges. This ensures accuracy when installing in your original or Resto Parts reproduction automatic console. The dial assemblies feature an aluminum body frame with a machine brushed top finish, beautiful chrome trim, and a satin black finish on the mounting plates, all which is identical to the factory originals for authenticity. We manufacture our top plates from die cast and carefully finished with their original OEM details, just like the factory originals. Plates are triple chrome plated and accented with a black enamel trim and brush surface like the factory. The horseshoe handles feature a bright triple chrome plated finish with a black Madrid grain surface style button to shift the vehicle. Finally, our top plates are manufactured from die cast and carefully finished with the proper original details. The plates are triple chrome plated and accented with a black enamel trim and brush surface just like they should be. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.